here in Ofacha or Patea, how you call it. But look, we're eating outside today. It's our first day, but we will eat outside. We eat spaghetti and yummy. And this is like this. Look, it's overlooking through the sea here. Yummy spaghetti, Rika. Super yummy. Rika made the spaghetti today. Takaw si Sophia. Look, and that's my Rico made a pizza. It's yummy pizza, Crisel. Yeah, everything is yummy because we are hungry, huh? Hehehe, joke. It's yummy, Banchoten. Yes. So today, we eat outside, sabi nila. Outside of the window, outside of the door, outside of the house. So we save money. We eat outside. This is one day for Fire Pizza. Picture. This is all the picture from eating outside. O, diba? Nakatipid kami at sa labas kami kumain, labas ng bintana. I go through the window. Look, ayan, tulugan na. The next day, we also again eat outside. Yeah, and Crisel made our breakfast. So this is the outside. We're all hiding in the sun. So this is the breakfast that Crisel made. Kaming dahil kami kumakain. So nice breakfast outside today. So this is our first day here. Second day. Kumbaga, first day na breakfast. We got hot dog. Yummy hot dog. Thanks, Crisel, for cooking. Thank you po. So again, we're eating outside. Social. Lagi kami kumakain sa labas, diba? Social.